So hey guys, welcome to the lecture of our CSS series. In the previous video, we were learning about margin properties and the clockwise notations of margin and padding, how to adjust margin. In today's video, we will be learning about hex codes and RGB values. In the first part of the video, we will be learning like styling the HTML body element, then inherit styles from body element. Then we will be learning about prioritize one style over another, override styles in subsequent CSS, override class detection by styling ID attributes, override class declarations with inline styles, override all styles by using important, use hex code for specific colors, use hex code to mix colors, and use RGB values to color elements. So these all are the things that we will be learning today. So welcome and let's start with the video. So for today's video, we will be making a quick new file, and in that file, I'll name it as Xcode and RGB values .html. Okay. I guess whoever is watching the video will be having a basic knowledge about HTML. We will start by clicking a exclamation mark and pressing enter. This will create a basic boilerplate. Okay. So in our body tag, we will write here our first heading, that is, we will be writing our h1 heading, and it will be hello world. Okay. The first topic is to style our body elements. In HTML format or HTML web page, there is always a body element inside which all the text which is written is visible. Okay. So whatever we write inside a body tag will be visible in our web page. We can style it by using a style tag. Inside this, I can write many things, like if I want, I'll first select body, and inside body I will write background color of, suppose, brown. Okay, this is our property. Let's see how it's working. We will open it with live server. See, this is how our web page is looking right now. Actually, I have zoomed in. It looks something like this, right? It says hello world, which was our first heading, and the background color which we have given to this. So this is how you style our body tag. This was a little basic. Now let's move on and see how can we prioritize one style over the another. Okay. So for that, let's come back to the example. In this, as you can see, we have already given a body color, or a background color of brown. Okay. Suppose I will write here color. Wait, I will write here that body. What I will do here is I will write style. Inside style, I will write background color. And suppose I will give it Alice Blue. So what I have done here is I have used inline CSS that you might have also learned in HTML, and I have applied it here. This is just to show that how we can give priority, right? Let's see our example. Right now you can see that it has prioritized our inline CSS and it has ignored our style CSS. So this is how CSS works. Like the value, or you can say the property which we have given downwards, will be implemented first, or you can say will be prioritized first. Suppose if I would have changed it to just, you can say, instead of Alice Blue, if I would have changed it to blue, simple blue, you can see it will become blue. So that means that our HTML page, we are giving priority to our HTML page by giving it an inline CSS. Okay. So now what is override styles in subsequent CSS? As I was telling you guys till now, what it means, like suppose inside this, if I write color, okay, and I will give it aqua, what it means that all the elements which I will be writing inside body tag will be having a color of aqua. As you can see right now, it's even having a color aqua. But if I write right here, and if I write, like suppose I want color black, the statement which we have written in the bottom will be overriding all the other elements present in the code. See, now our color has changed to black. This is how we can override our styles. Okay. Now, second thing comes overriding class declarations by styling ID attributes. Okay. For that, what we have to do here is like, wait, let me go back to our code. And here, firstly, I'll remove this style. Firstly, I will give it a ID like array. Oh. So now I have give it an ID of heading. Now I will call this ID, and inside this I will write some sort of code. Right, color. Firstly, I will write it red. So as you can see in the above code, we have written that color should be aqua, but in the below one we are writing color should be red. This is another way by which you can do. What we have done, we have made an ID and we have give a code to ID. As the ID is written after our body elements, it will override. As you can see, the color has been changes to red. Coming on to the next topic, that is overriding class declarations with inline styles. I guess I have recently told you that we can change these things by simply putting this code in the inline CSS. Like here, instead of writing down, what I will do here is I will write here paste color red in style just like that. What it will do, it will simply override. Let me override it. Like I will override green. As you can see, like right now there are three values that are given to a particular heading. Now I want you guys to stop the video and comment down below according to you which one will be implemented. I guess everyone might have written till now, and most of you will be quite aware that the green color will be coming. So yeah, you can see that the green text is visible. Maybe let me do one thing. Let me remove this color so that it will be better visible, you know. Yeah. Now let's check. Yeah, you can see our color is visible. Now let's come to another topic, that is override all other styles by using important. So you saw that for this particular value for this particular heading we were already giving three values. But if I want that one particular value will be implemented always, no matter where or how many values I'm giving. So what I can do here is I will simply write here. So it's like for using important, what I did, I have used exclamation and I have written important. Now let's see which one will be implemented here. To simply implement our important value, like we want that one value should be important always, what we can do here is we will write exclamation and then we will write important. So what this will do, it will make this value as important, and no matter how many values we give to the element, it will be giving or it will be implementing this particular value. Now let's check and let's see. Here you can see it's having a red value. Let me change the color. It's brown. Let's remove it. Okay. See, you can see the red value is here. If I will even give, it 1,000 colors also, but still it will be same. Like if I give H1 color should be white, it's not going to listen. It will be just keeping it the red color. So this is how you can prioritize the values by using important tag. Now coming on to the topic and moving further, let's come to the now moving on further, let's come to another topic, that is using hex code for specific colors. See, suppose till now we were giving it a name, right, that white or red, but sometimes you guys will be not knowing exact color like which you want to give. So what it helps is using hex code will help it. Like if I want that first heading's color should be, let me remove this. If I want that first heading's color should be black, okay. So how can I write it? I will just write star, that is 0. Okay. So moving on further, let's come to another topic, that is use hex code for specific colors. So sometimes what happens, like sometimes you want to give a specific color which you don't know the name about, right? So here hex colors comes in importance. So hex color are based on 6-digit numbers. Like first two digits are for red and green and blue. It's like if I want to give, see, right now the color for first heading is black. But if I want to write this in RGB or hex colors, what I will write here is 00000. That means we have given 00 for red, 00 for blue, and 00 for green. So this is how you can give color to different values. Like you can adjust it. Right now it's black, right? We can give like any color which we want. Okay, it's based on hexadecimals. And what exactly is hexadecimals? So hexadecimals are based on 16 numbers. That means it uses 16 distinct symbols like decimals, symbols, or to represent values 0 to 9. Then there are A, B, C, D, E, F, represents the values of 10 to 15. Although, but in CSS we uses 6 digits, or you can say we use 6 hexadecimal digits to represent colors. Let's do one thing. Let's give one more example of what I will write here, is I will click. If you want to learn more, if you want to learn more about hexadecimals, what you can do here is you will go to color right here and we'll go down to MDN reference. Oh, it opens a website of Mozilla, and right now you can see it shows all the types of colors which you can basically put inside your code. These are hex values. See, these are different types by which you can represent a single color. Like if I want a color, you can write 090 009900 or 090A, like that. These are different types by which you can put a single value. Okay, coming back to the topic, let's see. Now we have to use hex code to mix colors. Okay, right now we were just doing a base color, right? Now, if we want to mix some colors and if we want to make another color, like suppose I want to make orange. So orange is nothing but it's just a mixture of two colors. It's pure red mixed with some green. Okay. So what I can do here is I will write here a code that is FF, okay, 05. I will write a color that is FF A500. Okay. I'll add a star. See what it's written here. See, the first two colors, the first two digits are FF. FF means the highest possible color. That means red are at highest brightness. Then there is A5, and then it is 00. 00 means there is completely absence of blue color. So this is how you write hex code. And don't worry, you don't have to remember everything. You can just simply Google it, that tell me the hex code of any particular code, and you'll get it. Like I will write code. So here is the website, or you can visit basically any website from here. I'll click it, and like suppose if I want any of the colors, like if I want this one, what I can do is like here you can see everything is written about, like, see, this is RGB value, then there is hex code for this, then like everything which you want to know about a color is present. So you can explore more by searching all these websites. Okay. So coming to another and the last topic of the video, that is use RGB values to color elements. Till now we studied about hex code, like what exactly is hex code. Now there is one more way to represent a color, that is RGB. RGB is like this, like we have to enter values of red, green and blue. Like if I suppose enters here 0, then again 0, then again 0. it comes out to be black color. So it so in RGB values, similar colors happens. Like we can write, it starts from 000 till all the way to 255, 255 and 255. This is for white. So it every color has value starts from 0 till 255. It's it's similar to hex code. Like it also contains all the possible color grades or colors which can be possibly made using hex code. All the things it contains in it. It's just based on preference, right? Someone prefers hex code or someone prefers RGB values, and it completely, depends upon you. Like for this red, for red, I have just written 255 here. If I'll remove this, or if I'll just write 255 here instead of red, I will get a green. Then if I'll write here and I will remove completely from here, I'll write blue. This is how you can, change the values and you can get to know about more. You can learn more about colors. So this much was it for today's video. If you have any doubts, then do comment out. I will be checking all your comments and will be replying. If you are liking this series, then do like the video, share it amongst your friends and whoever is learning or wants to learn CSS course, and subscribe to the channel so that you cannot miss more upcoming videos about the course. So that much was it for the video, and I'll see you next time. Till then, see ya, have a good day. Bye bye.